You don't like getting to do this kind of work, huh?
You said what?
You don't mess with this kind of work.
Like do it myself, you mean?
Yeah.
Nah. I thought about it at once, but it's almost, this one looks like it's almost done. CarQuest, that was the brand, guys. CarQuest. All right, boys, so far so good. The brakes are feeling good. I know I gotta do a few more stop and go. I think the standard is about maybe getting it to about 30 and then braking to 0, something like that. I don't know, man, but I'm just taking it easy for the first few miles. Once I'm sure it's 100%, we're gonna let loose. So for those of you who are new to my channel or you've not been keeping up with my previous POV drives, I've been kind of chill. Even in the crazy races, you know, and also they are edited and not real for you guys who didn't know. But even in those, I've been taking it easy because I know the stopping wasn't that great. There's some cheap brake pads on there before, so. But now we got Brembo brake pads and I don't know why I can never say the R1 properly. But R1 concept brake rotors are on here as well. And for the feedback I've gotten, they're really good. So we'll see over time, man. But I should log how many miles I have on the car. I should have logged that before I started driving. Okay, so boys, we're at 35,475 miles. I think I only drove about maybe 3 miles that I didn't log before I started the drive. So yeah, we can just say we started from here. So far, I can't tell if it's better. Probably need to do a more closer stop. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's definitely biting harder. But yeah, I've had some close calls, man, in this. Especially at like, once you start getting higher in speed, that's when the brakes, like really matter in terms of the quality it should be. Both the brake pads and the rotors. And the previous rotors, they were definitely warped. So it was really bad. On the window a bit, just so I can make sure I don't hear anything funny.
Red light camera reported ahead.
Get some gas. Oof, I can smell that. Ugh. That smell of the what is it called? That thing that's on the that they coated with. I don't know. But I can smell it burning off. I don't know if it's like some kind of oil or what, but it smells so nasty. Okay, I don't know how many miles really to do this for. But I'm gonna have some fun with these new with these new brake pads, boy, I tell you.
Red light camera reported ahead.
Before the next POV drive though, I still have to do an alignment on this car. I can feel it definitely needs it as well. These cars are a lot of maintenance, bro. Well, a lot of maintenance if you're driving a lot, of course. Even more if your driving habits are like mine. But yeah, gotta get it done. But yeah, so far so good, man. I'll do a complete review on these brake pads and rotors at some point, guys, but you know, I want to get quite a few miles in first and a few POVs in. So appreciate y'all watching, man. See you in the next one. Let's go.